Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up the WooCommerce block checkout page using the WooCommerce Cybersource Payment Gateway extension. Let's get started. Step 1. Activate the WooCommerce Payment Gateway plugin first. Ensure that the WooCommerce Payment Gateway plugin is activated in your WordPress plugin dashboard. This is crucial for the setup. Step 2. Select Cybersource Hosted Checkout. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce Cybersource plugin settings and make sure that the Cybersource Hosted Checkout is selected. This will enable the Cybersource Payment Gateway for your store. Step 3. Create a WooCommerce block checkout page. Now, we need to create a WooCommerce block checkout page. Make sure to integrate the WooCommerce Payment Gateway into this page to allow seamless transactions. Step 4. Configure the store checkout page. After creating the block checkout page, go to your WooCommerce store settings and change the checkout page setup to the new checkout block page. Step 5. Test the checkout block page. Finally, let's test the checkout block page using the WooCommerce Cybersource Payment Gateway. Ensure everything is working perfectly before going live. And that's it! You've successfully set up the WooCommerce block checkout page using the WooCommerce Cybersource Payment Gateway extension. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.